The one reason why you need to be waking up early is because you get one of the most valuable non-renewable resources you have, time. And with these three strategies, you can maximize the usage of extra time to get physically tight and mentally strong. And the best part is, once you start, it becomes too easy. It becomes like brushing your teeth every day. Okay, let's start. Getting up at 5 in the morning. Now, if you're thinking, oh, getting up at 5 in the morning is too hard, I can't do it. No, it's just that you don't know the right method to do it. Tip number 1. Set your intentions before bed. To understand better, let's take it up with an example. Imagine you booked a trip 6 months ago to Singapore, and tomorrow is the day. You pack up all your clothes and you keep your tickets ready, and your flight is at 6 a.m. and you have to be out by 5. That day, would you be lazy and say, no, I can't wake up at 5, it's too early? In fact, you would be the first one to wake up. That is the power of setting intentions. So next time you go to bed, imagine what do you want to do in the morning. Just visualize it internally. Be it exercise, jogging, or studying. It's not laziness, it's just priority. If you have the desire to do it, you will do it. Some quick tips along with intentions which go hand in hand. Brush your teeth in the morning as soon as you wake up to feel fresh. Drink a full glass of water to feel hydrated. Move your clock across the room to wake you out of your bed. Wear workout clothes before bed. This comes in handy with tip number 2. Okay, great. Now you know how to wake up early and get plenty of time. But now, what do you do with all this time you get? This brings us on to tip number 2, and it is to do the lifesavers. And it is a really popular concept from the book Miracle Morning by Hal Elrod, setting you up for a successful and fulfilling day by investing in your personal growth. This tip will help you get energetic in the morning. So let's break it down. S stands for silence. First thing you do in the morning is to meditate. Deep breathing or mindfulness for 5 minutes to get your mind calm and peaceful. A stands for affirmations. Repeating positive statements reprograms your subconscious mind for success. Like, I'm very powerful, I'm really good at XYZ. This helps us to believe in ourselves. Next one also goes hand in hand. Visualization. Visualize what you want to achieve. Visualize yourself already strong and successful in the morning. E for exercise, to get your heart rate pumped up and feel fresh. It's going to help you massively in the long run. Read. At any age, it is so crucial because it helps us gain unknown knowledge which we might have never known. Scribbling or journaling, to capture key ideas throughout the previous day, gain clarity, rewind lessons you read before. So these are the key insights for feeling fresh every day. You are essentially creating a foundation for personal growth, productivity, and overall well-being. And this can be customized according to your needs. If you want to check out the book Miracle Morning, the link is in the description. It's an amazing book and it's absolutely recommended. If you're enjoying the video, then don't forget to hit the subscribe button and comment. What do you think about tip 2? With that, back into the video. If you're too busy, then tip 3 is for you. Don't get time, or sometimes it's just not possible, you can start here. Miracle Morning in 6 minutes. You heard that right. In just 6 minutes you can do the whole Miracle Morning. Let's get it. Minute 1. Instead of rushing for a hectic day, just for 1 minute, sit in silence. Just meditate. Take deep breaths in. Minute 2. read your affirmation sheet. Minute 3, close your eyes and visualize yourself reaching your goal. Minute 4, you take a minute to write down the things you were grateful for the previous day. Minute 5, you read just 1 or 2 pages in a book. Minute 6, move your body for 1 minute and go to work. Click this here to watch another amazing video which YouTube thinks is good for you. Signing off for now. Bye and keep crushing it.